Hello friend, in this video I will discuss most important concept of mathematics and physics, which is the concept of average velocity. In previous videos I have discussed the equation of motion and laws of motion, also the difference between uniform and non-uniform motion. In this video I will discuss the concept of average velocity or average speed. So if we talk about uniformly accelerated motion, during the motion velocity remain constant because unequal distance covered in equal interval of time. So this type of motion is called uniformly accelerated motion, which is nothing but a type of non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion in which unequal distance is covered in equal interval of time. Case first, and this is equal distance covered in unequal interval of time. So in this case the average velocity is twice of uv upon u plus v. But in this case average velocity is nothing but simply the arithmetic mean of initial and final velocity. This is the arithmetic mean of initial and final velocity, and this is what? This is the harmonic mean of initial and final velocity. So if you talk about first case, that means uniformly accelerated motion. So let's suppose that an object moving from point A to B with initial velocity u for distance d1 in time t, and in next period, that means from C to B in time t, distance is d2 and velocity is b, final velocity. Okay, in second scenario, that means from C to B the velocity is v and distance is d2 in the same time t1. So the average velocity is given by u plus v upon 2, which is nothing but the arithmetic mean of initial and final velocity, and this is represented by the vt graph, that means velocity time graph, which shows uniformly accelerated motion. So if we want to prove this result, we have the basic formula of mathematics. So we can simply write average velocity means v average means what? Total distance upon total time, means d1 plus d2 upon total time means what? Twice of t, because in this interval time is same and distance is different. So distance is nothing but the product of speed and time. Distance is what? Distance is speed into time. In this case distance will be average speed, initial and final initial, and second scenario, that means d1 equal to u into t and d2 equal to what? Final velocity into t. So we can simply put at the place of d1 u into t, and at the place of d2 we can put v into t upon 2t. So if you take common in these two terms t, okay, so this will cancel out. So finally we will get u plus v upon 2. So this is the formula of average velocity. V average is nothing but the arithmetic mean of initial and final velocity. Okay. In second scenario, if we observe the motion of an object from A to C, so we can simply use the basic definition of average velocity, that means total distance upon total time. So the proof is V average. V average means what? It is nothing but total distance, that means twice of d. Twice of d in this case, total distance, because distance in this interval and in this interval is exactly same, but time is different. So we can simply write here total distance upon total time means t1 plus t2. 2d at place of t1, what we can write? T1 is nothing but the ratio of distance and speed in this interval from A to C, that means u. So t1 is distance upon initial speed and t2 is distance upon final speed or final velocity, we can say. This is at the place of t1 we can write what? D upon u. At the place of t2 we can write d upon v. So we simply take common here d. Okay, so we have 1 upon u, 1 upon v. Okay, from d to d it will cancel, so twice of 2 upon u plus v upon u into v. So we can simply write v average equal to, this term will in numerator, that means twice of uv upon u plus v. So this is the formula of average velocity in accelerated or non-uniform motion when distance in first interval and second interval is same but time in difference. So you can use this formula. Okay, this formula also can be derived with the help of second equation of motion. Okay, v average is nothing but the ratio of displacement and time. This is the first proof, and this formula can be proved using the displacement second equation of motion. Okay, which gives the displacement, which is equal to what? Ut plus half at square upon t. If you take t as common, this will equal to 1 upon 2 a into t upon t. From t to t it will cancel. So v average can be written as, at the place of here at, okay, u plus half of at. But we know that a equal to what? A is nothing but v upon t. So v minus u upon t. Okay, acceleration is what? V minus u upon t. So at the place of at we can write u plus 1 upon 2. At the place of at we can write v minus u. Okay, if we solve this result, we will get the same formula. So this is actually this formula. Okay, this is the first case formula. Okay, so this is twice of u plus v minus u upon 2. Finally we will get u plus v upon 2. So this is the average formula of first case, that means uniformly accelerated motion, and we can easily prove with the help of second equation motion. And similarly we can obtain this result by using this formula. So in next video it will be discussed. So this is all about in this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.